Sitting here and I'm going to go through the website just quickly and show you a few things, and you'll be able to see it full size as opposed to what I had previously posted. So quickly, we'll just show you here, like the website is up and running, and on the left side it shows you here Temiskaming Shores, what our hours are and our address. And on the right side, it shows you the Sudbury hours and the Sudbury address and the phone number for both stores. So quickly looking, we'll scroll down a little bit and you will see here's everybody at the store, and our gift cards are also available. And you'll notice on the front it says we are doing curbside and we do ship through Canada Post and free shipping over $130. So if we're looking for product, we're going to go into shop. We're going to click on shop and fabric comes up, sewing machines and notions. So we're just going to click into cotton to show everybody quickly that our fabric is here. And if you scroll down, you can see all the fabric that is in stock. So the fabric that you're going to see is not necessarily in both stores, but it is accessible for shipping to you or to the store. So we're going to click on, let's take some of this, more details, and we're going to put add to the cart. And you notice it says 1. 1 equals 1 meter. Doesn't equal a half meter, a quarter meter, it equals 1 meter. So our store is showing 1 meter is going to show we have 22 in stock. So we're going to up our up to 3 meters and add it to my cart. So I've added it to my cart, and also shows that I have other things in the cart. And I'm going to show you here that do I want it curbside? So if I want it curbside, I would click down here and I would say that I wanted it in New Liskeard or in Sudbury. So we're going to click New Liskeard and it's going to show you a total here on the corner. We'll scroll down a little bit more, and this is where you're going to enter all your information on your address, and you're going to pay with your credit card, and you're going to go down to the bottom left corner and submit payment. Once you've submitted the payment, you're going to get an email indicating that your order is being worked on, and once your order is fulfilled, you'll get another email saying that your order is ready for curbside pickup at the store you've selected. So if you were to go the other route and have it shipped to you, it's going to go, and because we're over the $100 or the $130, it's free shipping. Again, you're going to fill out all of your pertinent information and your credit card, and once you hit submit form, you're going to get again another email saying that your order is being worked on. Once your order is all put together, you'll get an email saying that it is shipped and you'll get a tracking number. So I hope this helps a little bit for our website. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much.